Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder 2026. So actually guys, I'm right here presented with the Hostinger support, which you can find the article. So I'm presented with an article. It's about the Hostinger website builder, how to manage or how to edit the navigation menu of a website. So as you can see right here, it says in Hostinger website builder, all your website pages are managed from the page and navigation panel on the left. But before, you will need to get access to your website builder. So you'll need to log in to the Hostinger account and go to website builder from your dashboard, and right there just select the website you want to edit and click edit websites. All right, and then it will be forwarded into the website builder, as you can see right here. Okay, so you will need to click on the pages and navigation just here. Okay, that's the option. And afterward, the pages under the main navigation are visible in the website's menu bar, as you can see. So once you click on the pages and navigation, you will be able to get through the main navigation, and right there you can check all the pages. Okay, and the pages under the hidden from navigation are not shown there, as you can see. Okay, so that's one. And within the pages and navigation panel, you can do the following, as you can see on the picture. So you can click on that gear icon and you will be able to get access to some options like make homepage, page URL, add an URL on the page, rename the page, duplicate pages, even you can hide it from navigation, you can move it to the drop down, you can set a password for the page, also you can get through the SEO settings, social images, etc. Okay, and you can add pages just from that page and navigation menu. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.